Everybody, amprepairguy.com, 203-892-4119. We have another Ameritron Al-811h here. So this one is getting a brand new set of Pentalab tubes. People have asked where I get my SO239s from. I actually get them from Max Gain Systems. Really nice people over there. I've been dealing with them for years. I used to sell them vacuum variable caps, and used to buy them from them also. Super reliable over there. Very honest. So I'm going to pull the socket assembly out. Okay, yes, I will get my pointer. I'm going to pull the assembly out, change the SO239s. They are defective. I will check the meter protection diode. Plate choke is good. That's just the goop they put on it. Clean the rotary switches with deoxit gold and do everything else. I will check all the solder joints and everything, the socket clips, and so I'm going to get to work. This customer actually sent me 2 amps. I have this one and Al-811. So he's an older guy, very nice guy, very nice gentleman, I should say. And talk to you guys. I'll see you guys soon. This was made in 2012. Okay, so stay tuned. Please like, share, and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Okay, I will really appreciate it. Okay. See you soon. Okay, grids are grounded directly to the metal. A couple of screws were loose. I compressed the clips and added gas discharge tubes. You had them in here. Someone did some poor solder work, and I always change them in case one is on the edge of failure. I just don't take any chances. I don't cut corners. I'm going to install it and I'll be back. So I'm back with the completed Ameritron Al-811h. Tested full output all bands. Got a brand new set of Pentalab 572Bs. Here are the old SO239 connectors. Dual gas discharge tubes. And I always put the longer screw in for the plate choke. Tighten up on hardware. Fix solder joints. Compress the socket clips. You saw everything I did below there. The gas discharge tubes. Grounded the grids right to the metal. Clean the rotary switches. Band switch input, rotary switch, deoxit gold. I already had the bias mod. And that's about it. So if you need an amplifier repaired, feel free to give me a call. 203-892-4119. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Stay tuned.